measure 10 inches up here as well to make sure. So you're just gonna cut right down that. This now, because my fabric is a little slanted, you can sit on the sides. You can straighten this out if you like. So we're gonna get to sewing, and when you sew, you're gonna still make sure you see the hole. Once you're done cutting this out, you're just gonna sew along this edge and this edge, and then we're just gonna make a little, you can do a half, however long you want it, and you're gonna sew this like that. And of course you can fix the bottom. Because I'm using recycled fabric, it's a little different. But yeah, so I went ahead and I fixed the edge of this one so you have your main fabric, and then I also cut out a strip which we're gonna make to line this. So this is what you'll need, and let's get sewing. So let's do that. So you're just gonna put it in here, and gonna go. And you're gonna back stitch. Forward. Once it's all done, we're just going to, once it's all done, you're just gonna hem the edge. So you're just gonna fold it over and sew along this line like that. So you have a little pocket, or you can just tie the string you make around and make it like this. So it'll look something like that. It's up to you. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to turn it inside out and show you guys what it looks like. But first things first, we're going to sew this. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. It's super simple. There's two methods. So you take the fabric. Let's move this one. You take the fabric and you lay it down like so. And you fold it. You fold it in, so you fold it in on itself like so, as you can see, and then you just fold it again, and then you sew like along this line. I'll show you guys. So again, I'm going to show you guys close up. You're going to take your fabric, it's flat, you're going to lay it here like so. You're going to fold that one end over first, then you're going to fold it over again. It should have a sandwich in the middle, and you're just going to fold over that sandwich, and you're going to sew along this line. So that little tail you made, you're just going to put your foot along that, and you're going to let it sew it. right? And as you go, you're gonna fold. So you can either use pins to pin it down, or you can use whatever you have. So when you're done, it'll look something like this, kind of sandwiched together, a nice long strip, depending on how long you want it to be. So it'll look something like this. You can clean off the edges. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Yeah, so that's mine. Super simple. In order to make the hem here, you're just gonna fold it inside out, and you're going to fold in. If it's in, so you invert it. So you're gonna fold it in this way, and you're gonna sew along that edge. I'm not doing that, but you can. And it comes out pretty nice. It'll be a drawstring bag. I forgot to let you guys know that while you're sewing this, leave an opening so you can get the string through. So leave an opening so you can get the string through. Don't close it all the way, all right? So leave an opening. I want to let you guys know that while pulling this through the fabric, you want to attach either a hairpin, a clothespin to the end so you can use it to maneuver it through the opening. It will make it a lot easier for you. You cannot do this by hand. You need to use a clothespin or a hairpin and just attach it as a hook. And that's all she wrote, guys. This is what my bag looks like. I'm gonna add some fun text to mine, but yeah, this is it. This is my pasta bag, and it's funky. It has the raw edges to it. I love that. It has the drawstrings. You can tie these off, but yeah.